Hey guys, this one is coming from Everglades Farm, and you can see some of the leaves right there. Let me open this up and we'll see what it is. Okay, the box is open. Let me see if I could pull this out with one hand. Ooh, look at all the flowers. And okay. So really need a taller post. They have a post here, but it's way too short. But look at all the flowers though. As you can see, so, and a lot of new growth. Look at this. So where's the tag? I buried the tag. All right. Okay, so I took all the plastic off. Let's look at the tag. So you see that? Fwang Tung star fruit. So it's a Fwang Tung star fruit. And you can see all the nice purple flowers. That's so pretty. It's loaded with flowers. Look at all of this. Loaded with flowers, but even though they're so pretty, the tree is so small. I'm not gonna try to let it produce any, maybe one if anything, but not really a fan of letting young trees produce fruit. So oh, wait a minute, I'm over here talking about fruit. Look at this. There's one right there where my thumb is. Wow, this thing is a beast. Look at this. I get it to focus. This thing is a beast. There's one right here. There's one right here. See that? Wow. Let me see if there's any more on here. I didn't see that. Wow. I'm not letting this fruit. Like I said, maybe one, but it's a nice tree. The base is straight, but this one they sent me is kind of like going off to the left, but it do have two right branches here. We'll see how that work out in the future. Let me talk a little bit about it. They said the taste is grape-like flavor, very crispy and sweet and juicy. That sounds really good. I would encourage you guys to explore your options. There is more than one kind of star fruit, obviously. For me, this is the one that I want because it was highly rated by other growers. So I do look up my star fruits and other fruits before I buy them, just to see if I'm making the right decision or not. So far, so good. But thank you guys for watching. And I will keep you guys updated on this. I'm gonna water it in now and up pot it tomorrow and give it a taller stake, because obviously this one is well surpassed the stake they gave me with this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.